Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from 6th String Fingerpicking. Today we're learning how to play a beginner level version of For Elise. Hope you enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you'd like the guitar tab, that's available down below. Okay, here we go. So you're going to start by playing the first string open and then the 4th fret on the 2nd string. And then do the same thing. So first string open and then 4th fret on the 2nd string. So that's just... and then open top string, and now open 2nd string, and then still on the second string, play the 3rd fret, and then the 1st fret. So all together there, you've played like that, and then you're in. So there, hold down an A minor chord, play the 3rd and the 5th string together, then the 4th string, and then the 3rd string. So, and then take your little finger and put that on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, play that, and then play the 4th string, and then the 3rd string. So that bar is... okay, cool. And then from there, all I do is I'll keep my 2nd finger on, lift my others off, and then put my 1st finger onto the 1st fret of your G string. So that's just taking you to your E chord. So with that held down, you could, of course, play a full E chord, but I just make this transition because it's nice and small. With that held down, I'll then play the 2nd and the 6th string together. And then I'll play strings 4, 3, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so 2 and 6, and then 4, 3, 4, 3, 2. So from that A minor, you've played. And then from there, it goes back to A minor. Hold that down, play strings 2 and 5, and then 4, 3, 4. Okay, so far you've gone. And then it just goes through again, so just like before, to your A minor, then the bass, 3rd fret and the 5th string, to your E, until you get to there. So it's exactly the same until you land on this E. So it starts the same, you play strings 2 and 6, and then 4, 3, 4. But instead of playing after that the 3rd string and then the 2nd string, instead, just play the 1st fret on the 2nd string and then open 2nd string. So instead of, you'll get this. Okay, so that is. Okay, and then to your A minor, hold that down, play strings 3 and 5, and then 4, and then 3. Okay, so if you put all of that together from the start, you've played. And then again. And it changes on this E here. Okay, once you get to that point, you can just go around all of that all over again. And then coming out of it, instead of playing what we just did on the A minor and going around again, you'll play through. So you'll land on the A minor after the E, and you'll get this. Okay, so we're on the A minor. Starts the same as before, so play the 3rd and the 5th string, then the 4th string, then the 3rd string, and then you're going to play on the 2nd string, open, 1st fret, and then 3rd fret. Okay, so that's like, and then we go to a C chord. So hold that down, play strings 1 and 5, and then 4, 2, 3, so. And then on the top string, play the first fret and then open, so. Okay, so. Then it's to a G7. Okay, so here you want to hold down really the 3rd fret on the 2nd, 3rd, and 6th string. Sorry, 2nd, 4th, and 6th string. So with that held down, then play strings 2 and 6, 3, open 2, so. Then play the 4th string, open top string, and then back to the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So, like that. Okay. It's really lovely. And then down to A minor. Hold that down, play strings 2 and 5, and then 4, 3, 4. So. And then on the 2nd string is 3rd fret, 1st fret. Okay, so. And then it's back to E. And with the E held down, all you really need is the 2nd fret on the 4th string. But either way, play strings 2 and 6. The 4th string, the 1st string, the 4th string, the 1st string, the 4th string, the 1st string, and then the 6th string. So that's like. Okay, so from the start of this section, you've gone C, G7, and then to finish, we just go back to. And you can just end on an A minor. So let's go right the way back to the beginning and play all the way through. Here we go. To the start. Exactly the same as before. Until you get to the A minor here, and then you play into the next section. C, G7, A minor, E, and then just like before. And we end it there. That's it for this lesson. I really hope that you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and head over to sixstringfingerpicking.com where there are hundreds upon hundreds more lessons all on fingerpicking.